Here we are finally on the Himalayan 450 and the bike feels What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and here we are heading out to check out a new bike in the market, and I'm very excited to check this out because this is something that you guys love it, and there's been a revolutionary change over the years, and now it has become more refined, more powerful and more adventurous. I think the weather seems to be a little gloomy, so before that let's head towards the showroom and let's check this bike out. We have a special guest, aka my brother, who's gonna join out today to test drive the brand new something that you're gonna see over there. So let's not waste the time, let's go. By now you guys would have figured out where we are exactly. We are at the Royal Enfield showroom and we're gonna test drive the Himalayan out here. But before that, we guys can see a lot of vehicles lined up, and can't wait to go check out the new Himalayan which is inside. Oh wow, the bike actually looks so stunning from here. Wait for the full view of the bike, guys. This is amazing. The way it looks, it's beautiful. I think in the pictures it looks so different, but here in the flesh it just looks so good. And the bike is gonna be revealed in 3, 2, 1. Check this out. Got myself a token to test drive the brand new Himalayan, so very excited to just go take this bike out on the road and experience the power which it has to deliver. Let's experience that. Let's test drive the brand new Himalayan, guys. Let's start this engine, and it has a different mechanism. Oh wow, sounds humble like a rumble, and let's take it for a spin. Here we are finally on the Himalayan 450 and the bike feels super smooth. Just look at that pull, man. This is gonna be a pure ride review. First thing first, the handling. It is very nimble, same like the previous Himalayan, but Himalayan used to feel quite heavy. This feels quite light. I don't feel that heavy when I'm on the saddle, neither when I had to pick up the bike, but it feels quite light though, that's for sure, I can guarantee. But apart from that, look at the pull. Oh, it just pulls so good. Oh, the ride quality is very impressive, guys, compared to the old Himalayan, and it feels little low on height, and the handle is also quite lower, giving it a little sporty feel compared to the older Himalayans which had more taller handlebars on that, and this feels little lower and feels more sportive, and that makes it more easy to handle in city as well as highway traffic. The ground height, I think it's very much accessible for everyone. The tall riders or short riders, anyone can access this bike with ease. It feels so comfortable and standalone traffic. Let's see the pickup of the brand new Himalayan out here. Let's pull it up. Oh. In 4th gear it just crosses 100, guys. Now imagine the potential beyond the 4th gear. I think it can easily touch 130, 140 with ease, and that is something that you can pretty much expect. So you guys know that Royal Enfield is known for its stock figures, right? And with torque. Now we can see the power equally coming up at that level, and that's something I'm very proud of Royal Enfield, that they're doing a very good job in providing a sportier motorcycles along with the powerful ones. Like you can see here, it just pulls, guys, it just pulls. Oh ho 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 ho! Power, man, power. And 80 is the sweet spot as of now, which I can feel, but I am pretty much sure that this bike can do more than that. Like, the potential of cruising around 120 would be very easy with this refined Himalayan. In terms of braking, we see the brakes are pretty much crisp. It's not like where you have that laggy bite. The brakes feel sharp comparatively to the previous generations. Thanks to the ABS kicks in on time without any delay. That makes you feel much more confident wherever you are taking this bike. And since this also comes with spoke wheels, and they also have a tubeless spoke wheel version, I mean, that would be a great pick. Okay, let's test this bike's full potential, guys. Let's go. And let's check out the stopping power as well. Ooh, the brakes are super crisp, guys. Wow, that subtle power, that with that grunt in the brand new Himalayan, makes it more accessible and more nimble. If you're talking about smoothness, this machine is quite smooth and refined. I mean, you wouldn't actually feel those typical Royal Enfield vibes on this. It's very much refined compared to previous Himalayans, but also feel that BS6 Himalayan and this Himalayan, in terms of smoothness, you actually feel the same, but this is more flickable and easy to ride is what I feel compared to the previous generation. Since we are on the standing traffic out here, I don't feel any heat on my legs. There is a slight dissipation of heat, but I don't feel that much. The radiators are working great, and this is actually a liquid cooled engine. Previously it was all oil cooled, but this is a liquid cooled engine, so that would keep the engine much more cooler, and you can tour on this machine all day long. The more you sit on the saddle, you just feel like you just want to take it all day long, and this bike actually keeps you going all day long. That's for sure, I can guarantee you. We're almost near to the showroom. By this, I hope you guys would have understood how beautiful, how refined this particular Himalayan is, and I want each one of you guys to test ride. Please do a test ride, check for yourself and see if the bike is what I exactly say about, and then you guys can book the bike at your nearest Royal Enfield showrooms.
How's the bike, sir?
Oh, bike is beautiful. I mean, it's very refined. Yeah, refinement is good. I think it's previous version and this version also almost the refinement feels the same. Correct. Almost the same. But I feel the handle has been lowered a bit. Seat is low. Correct. Correct.